Hello and welcome to my review on TradersWay. And this is a brokerage firm that is actually based out of Dominica, or Dominica, if you will, not the Dominican Republic. Um, it is a bit exotic in that sense, and there are some regulatory questions. However, I've done quite a bit of research on the internet. They don't seem to have any pattern of issues. They have high ratings at a lot of the review sites. The clients review whether it's a scam or not, that type of thing. So it certainly seems as if they are making a certain amount of people out there happy with their business practices, and therefore we have decided to include them in our reviews. Now, TradersWay offers up to 1 to 1,000 leverage, which is insanely high. You have to be very careful with that, but it does present some opportunities under the right conditions. With that, they offer Forex, they offer energy trading, crude oil, CFDs. They offer in the CTrader account, they offer crypto. They also offer quite a bit of variety when it comes to the MetaTrader family. They offer MetaTrader 4 in variable and ECN in flavor 5. They also offered MetaTrader 4 fixed. CTrader is an ECN, and this allows you to open up these various accounts. So you can see MT4 fixed, variable, minimum deposit is $2. Now, if you want the ECNs, minimum deposit is 100. Now you can see that the minimum fixed spreads 2 pips, variable is 1.5, and then the ECN is 0. So obviously, the market will fluctuate back and forth. But having said that, these are pretty reliable and tight spreads. Now, they also offer a lot of crypto payment options, which is, it's kind of interesting for those of you who are trying to convert crypto into currency, for example. So the payment methods, you click on that, and there is a ton of different options: bank transfer, Bitcoin, Ether, Litecoin, Ripple, USD Coin, Tether, UPay card, Skrill, NetTeller, Perfect Money, FastPay, prepaid card. So plenty of ways to send money in to finance your account. As I mentioned previously, the CTrader, the MetaTrader platforms. Now the mobile apps, that's just going to be your MetaTrader mobile version. The company, like I said, has been around for several years, and they are fairly well known. I've run across them several times. They list their advantages, fixed variable spreads, no dealing desk, STP, direct market access, tight spreads, obviously, maximum leverage. That's the big one. And you're allowed to scalp and hedge back and forth, so that is also an advantage. They do have a little bit of education in the form of live webinars, but it's very minimal. You either attend those, or that's basically it. They do not take U.S. or British citizens, but like I said, if you're looking for a highly levered broker, this one seems to be making a lot of people happy out there. Pretty straightforward brokerage firm. They allow plenty of instruments, and you can click on here and you can go to, for example, trading conditions, and it'll tell you the different types. And then you can go to markets. It'll tell you the different markets that they offer. So you click on Forex and it takes you through there, and it tells you all of the different pairs. Pretty wide group of markets to choose from here. And then cryptocurrency can actually be done from CTrader. It's kind of buried in the site. You don't see it right away. So if you're willing to use CTrader, then you can do some cryptocurrency CFDs as well.